Can you see the product?
Here, Skin Love. Skin Love, buta naman.
Look at that.
Ano yan?
Wow.
Oh, wait. Then, I'll put some
Wow.
serum.
Perfect.
Mga misis, kailangan alagaan din natin yung ating mga mister. Hindi pwedeng tayo lang magpapaganda.
But they really
Kailangan sila din. Para
Wow.
maging
Stiso.
presentable.
Perfect. Time
Then,
to spread
na
it.
natin.
Wow.
Kamalikot. Mahal ang
See the
bayad
product?
dito. Alagaan tayo ng ating mga mister.
Wow.
Dapat alagaan din natin sila.
These are the
Pampalas
product.
ng wrinkles. Ayan,
Try it out, guys.
pampalas ng wrinkles.
First product. What is this, mommy? Para saan to?
Toner.
Toner.
Siyempre,
This
dapat
one daw,
malinis muna yung mukha bago mo
Pang-alis daw ng wrinkles. See? This is Trital Advanced Wrinkle Repair. Wow.
Ito na, King.
Look at daddy.
Okay.
Wow.
Turuin lang natin ng konti. Dapat ate yung pang-fun mo.
Uy, come on. Daddy, patayo mo.
Yung face. Yung face.
Come on, daddy. And we will go back to you soon. Wow, perfect. Very, very nice. We have just to dry it. Smile, daddy. Look at that.
Now, mukhang medyo tuyo naman na.
Yup.
Sige.
The
Lagyan na
next
natin.
product.
Ito naman
Cream.
from Korea. It's a
Korea.
cream from Korea.
Wow.
So, alam naman natin na mga Korean
CNP
ay magaganda
Laboratory.
yung mga skin.
Para saan naman po yan, mama?
Pampa-soft din. Ano din.
Wow.
Ito ang ating husband, kakalaro ng basketball.
Yup.
At tennis.
Lalaro pa si daddy sa tennis.
Lagyan natin ng cream para hindi masyadong masunog ang balat sa init ng araw.
Yep. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Lalagyan ng cream.
Oh. Kailangan maputi ang mukha, ang uso, hindi. Dapat pantay.
Wala, nagiging puti na si daddy in the camera. Wow.
Para bumalag ang pagkatisoy.
Mustiso.
Yan. Yan ang pang-relax na sir.
Tubong Negros.
Can you see
Dahil
the product?
dyan,
This is the
okay.
product.
chill ka lang dyan. Bawal sumimangot ang wrinkles.
Product that we use. So try it out,
Young
guys.
looking.
Perfect. Say
Thank
bye-bye.
you for watching.
Bye.